Yeah, since starting this social media thing, I have received so many hate comments. But you know what bothers me most? I have received no support from family. That's number one. Two, when people ask me questions, they ask me as if they don't think that I'm qualified. But here's a question. When you walk in to a store, do you think they're qualified to give you the services that they're going to render? You won't know until you try. So coming to me asking me if I'm qualified just acknowledges that you don't support me and that you're envious. So I have to dismiss you. I have to walk away from you because unfortunately you're not bringing positive vibes or encouragement. And if you felt like I wasn't certified, then support me and help me get certified. You all will question someone that loves you to death, but you don't ask the people you pay big money to.